our ordered arrived. They delivered it, guys. Thank you for the one who opened the door for us. Hi everyone! Welcome back again in Sheryl, Belgium channel. I just arrived from work, guys. And I went to the post office to pick up the packet that I received actually yesterday. But because we are not home and maybe the postman did not ring the neighbor, so I have to pick it up in the post office. So it's Filipino, most of it is Filipino food. So I'm excited. I hope na hindi nasira yung in-order ko na kanin. Kasi supposed to be, pag sinend ng sender ngayon, tomorrow around 11 to 12, the next day, dapat ma-receive ko na siya. But then, I missed it because I was out yesterday for the whole day. So guys, let's unbox. We ordered something and it arrives today, and thankfully our neighbor opened the door for us. We'll open it now. It's heavy. So we ordered a new printer. This one, it's quite heavy. It's Pixma TR4550 black. So it's a wireless printer, scan, fax, and ADF. So it's Canon, guys. This one, it's quite heavy. So we had a printer, it's also Canon, but we decided to buy a new one, and maybe we will send it to the Philippines, the old one, because it's still working. But because we want a new one and a little bit upgraded, because this one has fax. So what we have is also wireless, can print and copy and scan, but no fax and ADF. So this one has fax and EDF. I don't know what is EDF anyway. So let's open it. And it's nice. And here in Belgium, we really need a printer. You know? Uy, it's huge. It's huge. So ayan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Here you go. Ayan. It's quite big. Wow. So here you go. Detachable yung kanyang wire. And there is a free ink, I think. Yeah. So black and color. Wow. Actually this is expensive, so it's free. So thankful. So thankful. I don't know why they give us this one when it's already wireless. Can connect into Bluetooth. You can use your phone to scan or photocopy something because it's wireless. And they have also extra for...
You just come?
Yeah, because I went to the B post also. Okay. It's traffic.
No, but I go to meet us to... The lights, they are good, but because when they put the machine there,
it's
the
not...
the left one is green. And the right, it's red. Because it's like this. So
they do something on...
I go to meet us, yeah, and they make it.
And it's done?
Yeah, but I need to go.
So they gave us 2 wire. And this is for Europe. This one. And this one for Asia, I think. I don't know. This one is for, I think, Turkey. Can be used in Turkey, this one. In Philippines also, but you need adapter for that. And it's heavy, guys. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. And we can put the old one in this box, I think. We don't have the old box anymore. Huh? Yeah, maybe we can send it. And they have a CD-ROM, huh?
To install.
Yeah.
But we don't have CD-ROM here.
Yeah, that is a new big.
Well, be careful, huh?
Yeah.
You keep on moving this one from here.
The new one, they don't have CD-ROM.
No, the new one, they don't make with CD-ROM. Huh? This is the vacuum?
This one.
And this?
Wait a moment. I ordered something else.
You make live video?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, video. So here is our printer. Can you give me some drinks also? Water?
It's warm this. You want?
I
Not
want
so warm. It's good.
just water. So here is the looks of the printer. Okay. So this is the book of instruction how to get started, and everything is here. So we're done with that. This is the packet that I ordered from a Filipina seller. My wallet. I know. Later. This one first. So, because it's already summer, we ordered this is a mini air cooler cake because it's already summer and it's quite warm. Of course, here in our apartment we don't have aircon. So this is very cute. You can bring also if you go somewhere. You see, there is a handle. You can carry. You can bring if you go to the park. USB type also. USB type yung kanyang charger, guys. Yay. So cute. You need to put water in here, in this area. This is the window. Look. So cute. So cute. And finally, let's open this. Orthodox, guys, means of course ginamit nilang to na box, hindi talaga to ang box ng aking order kasi Orthodox, guys, is a shop for cars accessories. Yummy. So what I ordered, spicy peanuts. This is €5, guys. The one who is selling this is an Ilongga Filipina. I'm excited to eat now. And this one is natural. That means salt and garlic lang for my hubby and for me. But it's spicy but bearable. And I also ordered kutsinta. Sana hindi ko na sira, guys. excited talaga ako. Iniisip ko to kagabi, guys. So, the kutsinta is also 5 euro. Hello. Parang hindi naman nasira. Kalami. Oh my God, kalami. And pichi-pichi. Actually, umorder ako ng pichi-pichi, but I don't know what is the looks of it. And ito pala ang kanya mukha, oh. Green na green siya, guys. Uy, salamat hindi nasira. Lami. Lami. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Talagang nag-crave ako. And this one is the dried moose. Wow. It's from Vietnam. It's 9 euro this one, guys. Special guso. Ay, guso. Ito pala ang mukha ng guso. Uy, maluoy. I thought it's fresh. Also ordered this one. It's dilis. Kalami, guys. Baho. Sab-an na po ko ani karon. Lami. Lami, guys. Lami. Sarap. 5 euro din to. Oh my God, I love it. And achara, papaya pickles. Let's try also. So this is unboxing with matching tasting, food tasting. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Ito yung ginamit ko pag open. Ito din yung ginamit kong fork. Oh my gosh. Uy, kalami, guys. Kalami.
Ma, răspundeați voia, fertile.
She told me that this one is better to soak in the water for the whole night and then I can make it the next day.
What is the...
Here. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for my super chatters. Thank you, guys. May God bless you all and thank you so much for watching. I love you. God bless and see you next time. Bye.